right. We have 2 thumbs up. That means drivers, hands off the controllers in 3, 2, 1, go!
Away we go, Astra Michiana. Shooting from afar. Blue Alliance answering. Wild Squirrels with their drum intake. Also getting the gate cleared for the blue classifier. So, is blue ahead? Very slightly, yes. Red has been busy. How Robotics and Organized Chaos showing their mettle. How Robotics going and stopping by the gate. The gate's open. Backing up to the launch zone. Shooting again. Getting off another volley. And
drivers, pick up your controllers.
honors are even between red and blue at the end of autonomous period. I like a nice evenly matched.
3, 2, 1.
Away we go. Wild Squirrels backs up with an artifact or 2. Shoots, scores. Very nice. The other blue robot from Astra Michiana also shooting and scoring, keeping the blue classifier busy and ramped. Red, not to be outdone. How and Organized Chaos both contributing. Organized Chaos getting jostled a little by Wild Squirrels and by Astra. Coming in hot. Wild Squirrels off in one corner. They seem to be navigating some technical difficulties. Meanwhile, Red Alliance continues scoring using How. Astra Michiana getting lined up for a shot and going back. Organized Chaos going into their loading zone, getting fed. Astra Michiana kind of carrying the load for blue here, filling up the blue classifier and scoring. And blue still ahead, even with one effective robot on the field. That tells you a little bit about the rapid pace of scoring that Astra maintains. Wild Squirrels finally off the mark. They spin up, they organize, they aim, and they shoot a little wild but land a couple. Astra, who's been keeping it going for them, shoots from afar, lands 3 beautiful shorts in purple, green, green. That is metal. Kind of keep the pace up while your teammates robot is figuring out technical difficulties. Wild Squirrels back in the game here. Help blue pull to a respectable lead of about 160 to about 140 as we enter the last 20 seconds of the game. What is going to be the end game strategy? Wild Squirrels maybe immobilized. Astra going in for one more shot, loading at the loading zone, and maybe parking. Astra coming up to launch, shooting again, coming up to the base zone as we park.
It's a tie, folks. We've done it. We have a 186 to 186 tie. 1 ranking point apiece. This will move 14,469 from 7 down to 8, and 16,010 down